Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to new lesson. Today we will learn lesson 15 or Daiju Goka. In this lesson we will learn verb te form mo ides, verb te form wa ikemasen, again verb te form imas, sirimasen and some new kanji. Vocabulary. As usual, before going to the grammar form, please read some vocabulary so it will help you to understand the lesson properly. Read tachimasu, suarimasu, chukaimasu, okimasu, chukurimasu, urimasu, shirimasu, sumimasu, kenkyu shimasu, shitteimasu, sundeimasu, shirio, katarogu, irashaimasu, omoidashimasu, fuku, seihin, sofuto, senmon, haisha, tokoya, ureigaido, dokushin, dokuni, gokajoku, koukou, jikoku hyo. Now we learn grammar. Be temo ides. Meaning is you may do. This grammar pattern used for permission. When we need permission, we need to use this form. Be temo ides. Please look at the sentence. Kokoni swattemo ides. Asita repoto dasitemo ides. Ima khaetemo ides. Kokoni kurumao tometemo ides. Enpichude kaitemo ides. Kono denwao chukatemo ides. Temo ides. You may do. So, swattemo ides. You may sit. Repoto dasite. Asita repoto dasitemo ides. You may deposit report tomorrow. Ima khaetemo ides. You may return now. Kokoni kurumao tometemo ides. You may park your car here. Enpichude kaitemo ides. You may write in pencil. Kono denwao chukatemo ides. You may use this telephone. Here we learn when we need permission how to ask in question form. Look at the sentence. Sashino totemo ii desu ka? Tabako suttemo ii desu ka? Kuruma o tometemo ii desu ka? Enpichu de kaitemo ii desu ka? Katalogu o mitemo ii desu ka? Koko de sashino totemo ii desu ka? When we require permission, we write temo ii desu ka? When we have this question form in the ending, it means someone is asking for the permission. Sashino totemo ii desu ka? May I take photograph? Tabako suttemo ii desu ka? May I smoke? Kuruma o tometemo ii desu ka? May I park my car? Enpichu de kaitemo ii desu ka? May I write in pencil? Katalogu o mitemo ii desu ka? May I see the catalog? Koko de sashino o tottemo ii desu ka? May I take photograph here? Over sashino o tottemo ii desu ka? Here koko de. Please take de particle. You know, we already learned in our previous lessons. Please take de particle when we do some action. So, koko de. Now you get understand how to put question when you need a permission. Temo ii desu, it is a positive sentence. Meaning is you may do. And temo ii desu ka, it is a interrogative sentence. It means may I do like this. So please pause the video, write 2 positive sentence and 2 interrogative sentence. Be te wa ikemasen. You must not do. The grammar pattern used for prohibition. Here we learn how to make a sentence in prohibition form. Meaning is you must not do. Please look at the sentence. Koko de sashi no totte wa ikemasen. You must not take photograph here. Koko de ason de wa ikemasen. You must not play here. Mise no mae ni kuruma o tomete wa ikemasen. You must not park in front of the shop. Boru pen de kaite wa ikemasen. You must not write in ballpoint pen. Osake o nonde wa ikemasen. You must not drink wine. Koko ni haite wa ikemasen. You must not enter here. So, te wa ikemasen means you must not do any work which is prohibited for you. Hope you understand how to make prohibition for te wa ikemasen. Totte wa ikemasen. Ason de wa ikemasen. Tomete wa ikemasen. Kaite wa ikemasen. Nonde wa ikemasen. Haite wa ikemasen. Please pause the video and write 3 sentences in prohibition form. You already learned how to make sentence in be te wa ikemasen, verb te form wa ikemasen, and you please do it. Tosokan desu kara koko de tabete wa ikemasen. As it is library, you must not eat here. Next grammar is be te form imasu. In previous lesson, we learned be te form imasu in continuous process. It means some action in progress. In this lesson also we learn be te form imasu, which meaning this pattern used for habitual action, one's occupation and poses, etc. Look at the sentence. It means be te form imasu not only uses for continuing action, or you can say that in progressive action, it is also using someone's habitual action, and also it is using someone's occupation, and also using possessive. Look at the sentence. Maruti wa kuruma o chukutte imasu. Chukutte imasu. Chikaku no mise de pan no utte imasu. Mainichi jogging wo shitte imasu. Jogging. So, habits. Karina-san wa ginko de hataraite imasu. Hataraite imasu. So, it is profession, occupation. Watashi wa computer o motte imasu. I have a computer. So, it is possessive. Watashi wa Bangalore ni sunde imasu. I am staying in Bangalore. Okay. Hope you understand. Pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences with verb te imasu. Shirimasen. The negative form of shitte imasu is shirimasen. Generally we say verb te form imasu or verb te form imasen. For example, ima gohan o tabete imasu ka? Ie tabete imasen. Like this. Daikaku de oshete imasu ka? Ie oshete imasen. So, in verb te form imasu, when it is negative, it goes verb te form imasen. But look at the sentence, you can understand. Yamamoto Tesokan no denwa bango shitte imasu ka? Do you know that Yamamoto library's phone number? 2 answers can be possible. One is positive, another is negative. If it is positive, hai shitte imasu. If it is negative, ie shirimasen. If it is positive, hai shitte imasu, verb te form imasu. But if it is negative, iie shirimasen. So the negative form of shitteimasu is shirimasen. We cannot say iie shitteimasen because this is totally wrong. Renshu, practice ichi. Ichiban, enpichu de kaitemo ii desu ka? Koko ni kuruma o tometemo ii desu ka? Usake o nondemo ii desu ka? Second, koko ni suwatte wa ikemasen. Asoko ni asonde wa ikemasen. Koko ni haite wa ikemasen. Watashi wa Osaka ni sunde imasu. Watashi wa Karina-san o shitte imasu. Look at here. Here this is an exercise for you. Here I have given some words. I have written 2 sentences. Please you do it. One is te mo ii desu. Te wa ikemasen. Okay. One is permission sentence. Another is you must not do. Look at the sentence. Koko de gohan o tabete mo ii desu. You may eat your food here. Tabako sutte wa ikemasen. You must not smoke. So these are the 2 sentences I made it. So 3番から7番までやってください. Please do by yourself. Next. Write the sentence with the below mentioned grammar pattern. Verb tephon imasu. We learn te imasu in various situations. Like one is when we express our habitual things. Another when we express possessive, when express occupation, like this. So you make 4 sentences. Look at here. Watashi wa IMC de hataraite imasu. I am working in IMC. So please make 4 sentences as per your choice. Please pause the video and do it now. Next. Kaiwa conversation. As you already know, if you have anyone with you, then do with that person, with your partner. If you don't have anyone, then make 2 hands as 2 persons. A-san, B-san. A-san to B-san. Kono hasami chukatte mo ii desu ka? Doujo. Domo. Yamada-san no juuso o shitteimasu ka? すみませんが教えてください。3番 A さんと B さん。お名前は B さん。カリナです。A さん。お仕事は B。医者です。神戸病院で働いています。Next. 漢字。Meaning of the 漢字 I. kunyomi me onyomi moku. Me I. Mokuji. Table of contents. Meaning of this kanji is ear, kunyomi mimi, onyomi ji. Mimi, ear. Meaning of this kanji hand, kunyomi te, onyomi siu. Te hand. Jojo, skillful. Meaning of the kanji leg, pair, suffix. Kunyomi asi, tariru, tasu, onyomi soku. Asi, leg, nishoku, 2 pairs. Hope this lesson help you to get knowledge. If you watch in YouTube, just click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think it will help them in their learning. Let's meet in next class with new lesson and new vocabulary, new grammar. Some more new exercise and new kanji. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy. Sayonara. Goodbye.